Good morning. Today, the topic that I will discuss is planning, implementing, and evaluating understanding the connection. The evaluation cycle, the connection. They have three connection: evaluating, planning, and implementing. Planning, implementing, and assessing are the three processes in curriculum development that are taken separately but are connected to each other. The cycle continues as each is embedded in a dynamic change that happen in curriculum development. The first cycle of connection is planning is an essential step in curriculum development. It includes determining the needs through an assessment. Needs would include those of the learners, the teacher, the community, and the society as these relate to curriculum. This planning, the intended outcomes, it should be smart, specific, measurable, attainable, with result and within the frame of time. And also, the intended outcome should be doable, achieve, and desire. So, it means the strategy to achieve outcomes. Um, they have example of curriculum plan is a lesson plan. It is a written document. Many planners would say a good plan is half of the work done. So, in curriculum development, is a written plan ensure the successful implementation. Planning is a written document. The sum outputs of curriculum plannings are lesson plan, unit plan, syllabus, course designs, modules, book, instructional guides, or even a new science curriculum plan. The second cycle of connection is implementing. Implementation continues after planning. What should be implemented? The planned curriculum which was written should be implemented. It has to be put into action or used by a curriculum implementer who is the teacher. Curriculum plan should be not remain a written document. It will become useless. The important role of the teacher is a curriculum planner can also be curriculum implementer. In fact, a curriculum planner who implements the curriculum must have a full grasp of what is to be done. The skills and the ability of the teacher to impart and guide learning are necessary in the curriculum implementation. It is necessary that the end of in the view or intended outcome will be achieved in the implementation. The third cycle of connection is evaluating. Evaluation follows implementation. The focus of this chapter is evaluation after planning and implementation was done. It is very necessary to find out at this point if the planned or written curriculum was implemented successfully and desired learning outcome were achieved. Curriculum evaluation is a vague idea may follow evaluation models which can be used for programs and projects. Evaluation, it is when used for assessment of learning because it more attention is given to levels of assessment for the levels of learning outcome as defined by the Department of Education. The use of description for the proficiency, the learner is desired by the qualified values of the weighted test scores and interval scale. Key idea, what has been planned should be implemented and what has been implemented should be evaluated. The three cycle of connection is evaluating, planning, and implementation. Finally, the cycle fall flow of the three processes in curriculum development is very easy to remember and follow. As a curricularist, these guiding ideas clarify our understanding that one cannot assess what was not taught, nor implemented what was not planned. Plan, then implement, then evaluate, and the next cycles begin.